Hello, hi guys, this is Somji. I'm back with another video. I'm excited to share you that I have prepared all future engineering techniques in one material. I have uploaded this material in my GitHub also, the link in description. You can go and check there and you can download that. Okay. Each and next on my next videos, I will explain every technique in a simple way and you can understand very easily. Okay, from this briefly I will say about the what are the type of future engineering techniques, what are the future engineering techniques, what is mean by future engineering, I will explain. Okay, let's go to the video. Okay, at first what is mean by future engineering, where the future engineering is used. Future engineering is in the process of using domain knowledge to extract the features like characteristics properties contributed from the raw data. Like means for extracting the another features, like if we have finding null values or anything like categorical and anything. Okay, null values or categorical variables we want to change. Why machine learning takes only numerical variables, it does not take string or anything. Okay, only numerical variables. That's why the future engineering plays main role. There is a when we doing a end-to-end project, there is main part is pre-processing, and that pre-processing feature engineering also help very well to handle the data set to imbalance. If the data set is imbalanced, we can balance that. What is mean by imbalance means it's output variable. So if it is in binomial like binary methods 1 or zeros. If one has 600, when we compare it to 1000, if one has 600 200 and the zeros has 800, it is an imbalanced data set. For that we want to balance that data set. Okay, and feature engineering, what are the types of feature missing data? There is mostly three types, which is missing completely at random, and one more thing, missing data at random, not at random, and missing data at random. Okay, these are some three main techniques which are our data set is located. What is mean by missing completely at random? There is no relationship between the each and every data missing data and another values. Okay, there is no relationship between missing data and another values. It is called as MCAR. It is missing completely at random. Okay, I have used these all libraries for this material. And one thing, I have prepared this material by seeing some blogs and videos, some YouTube videos, some courses. Okay, by that I have prepared this material. If you want, you can follow me on GitHub and you can take there. Okay, I have input the Titanic dataset for this missing completely at random variable. Okay, first import the dataset and I have imported that this is my dataset, and I am finding any null values. Yeah, absolutely, there is a age and cabin and embedded as null values. And if we have different null values like this, okay, where the null values is presented for this is a code for where the null values is present. We have presented 61 and 829 plus. These are the null values we have contained. And missing at random, missing data are not random. So the missing values is absolutely some relation between data missing and other values. There is some relation. Okay, for that I am using the cabin column. If where cabin is null, if where the in cabin is null, it replaced with 1, and otherwise it replaced with 0. Okay, I have printed that mean of the cabin null new data and new column mean is 0.77%, and the d of that here our the new cabin new column which I have excreted from this cabin. And the next technique is missing at random. This is missing at random means condition at random. It is a whose relationship between a missing variable and another variable. Okay, these are the differences. These are the three types of missing data and techniques, like missing completely at random, missing data at not at random, missing at random. These are the three types where our data set is contained. And the next these are the all techniques like implementation, and so many techniques is there: random, simple implementation, capture nan values. Each and everything I will explain in later on my videos, one by one. I will take nearly, I hope, I think this nearly, there are a lot of things I have, nearly 10 to 12 techniques is there. I will explain each and every techniques in my next videos on feature engineering playlist, one by one. At first one video on one technique, and second video second technique, like that I will explain. You can clearly know about that feature engineering techniques, what are there and how you use. Okay. And today this video is just briefly understanding what are the techniques we have now, what are the techniques are there in this feature engineering. Okay, all techniques. This is the first invitation means first in invitation, there is a mean, median, mode, invitation, and we have find the graphs, advantages and disadvantages, random sampling, invitation, and we also find some graphs and advantages and disadvantages, capturing land values with a feature engineering, new feature. These are the techniques. End of the distribution, imputation. These are the one type we are using. These are the techniques how to handling missing categorical missing values, frequently categorical. For preparing this take this whole material, I have used three types of data sets. I have one is Titanic datasets, and another is Auspice advanced regression, and one more dataset is it is a machine learning database adult dataset, which is this contained in this URL. You can click this URL and copy this URL and paste your browser. You can get this dataset. Okay, I hope you have know how to download the datasets from the Kaggle. Okay, these are the techniques which I used. I have written this material, and this material will be you will get in the description in my GitHub link. You can download from there. Okay, I hope if there is anything miss in these techniques, please make sure the comment. I will explain that technique with you and add the technique into this material. Okay, there is a various of technique, normalizing techniques, and so many techniques is there. Each and every technique I will explain later on my videos. I hope you have understand and you have seen these materials, and slowly, and from first I will scroll down slowly. Yeah, this is everything is simply why feature engineering is important. Why means this is for data pre-processing. If our data contain any null values or missing data, for that we have find the using the missing value we can find it. And there is a outlier technique also is there. Outliers for there, if they by the using by the outliers, our data set impact very lot, our accuracy impact very lot. So we want to reduce the outliers. Okay, and I will my next videos I will explain each and every technique. This is the overview of how I prepare the material and what are the material. You can get this material from the GitHub and just click the link and you can get this. Okay, I hope you have understand about all about this video. And okay friends, bye, take care, and make sure follow and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates about data science. Bye friends.